Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to try to get this on my trunk because during the winter, the inside latch of my trunk broke. So I'm gonna try to put this in myself. We'll see if I can. Okay, so I'll show you what it keeps doing. So that is what needs fixed. Okay, here's a part that I have to replace. I just have to get that off. Okay, I was able, I don't know if you can tell, I got one bolt out of here. I just have to get the other one out. Okay, I finally have it hanging here, and I just have to unhook this little part here. Yes, I finally got it off. It took a little bit, but I did. So here's the old one, and we will be putting on the new one. Well, I will be putting on the new one, not we, because I'm doing this myself. But hold on. Okay, this is the old part. And this is a new one. We'll see how long it takes me to get this on. Okay, I got the cords hooked back up. Okay, I got it up there. See, it's up there. It's not budging. Let's see if it locks. Hold on. Oh, I think there's a guard on it. Hold on. Well, now it's not unlocking whatsoever. Close, shut now.